up you. Up. Best music is subscribe.
Dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just a
Them judge you by looks and things. You know me, I say some more time to how you look. A man would tell himself, say, this a man you don't have no love in him, you know. This a man you don't like nobody, you understand me?
True, man.
Who is him to judge me? Who tell him that? Him know inside of me? Him know my feelings
Yeah, he tell
towards
himself
people? Who is you to do that? Me no behave so with people, no care how rough a man see me is and I got you, you know. You have to do me things for me and your inner things. No man nobody can tell me about yo, that brother they a fucker, you know. And him did do me this and him did do me that. And tomorrow me see that brother there now and start give him attitude. For what? That brother they ever do me nothing? Where him ever do me? Where me a give him attitude for tomorrow? For you? No man, me and him deal with no cudgel brother. Me and him not have nothing. Me and him have good. Me just hear where you say you and him have.
And hear what him say too.
Right. So if
That
me
man
have
tell
good
me
for
too.
say, me say good.
And if I bad, me bad.
Me bad,
And
yes. So me a
justice,
say
me a
brother,
split.
yes. So
Yeah.
me just know say brother, you know you're wrong with the man.
Right.
And if you fear for hear say are you wrong, you have to go just dead brother, live with it. But me I go
Simple.
tell you say I
You're
sorry
wrong,
go
you're
man.
wrong.
Me fi take side for you
No.
and get up and just see it the man. So when you wrong with the man, then me and who
You're
I
wrong,
go
you're
look
wrong,
like fool tomorrow. Eh? And who I go look
Of
like
course, you're
idiot
wrong, man.
later days.
That's true, man.
So we have to know where we are jump on, brother. We have to know where we are jump to. The things them where we are take on. You understand me? You know, just jump and take on things and feel to say everything we say people are do. You can't go take side. No man, no care me, yeah, brother, you know. But me come on something wrong. Who is me if you go tell myself, say, brother, you know, say me I go give you right. And me no know what happened. You see what me I say, G? Me sit down and me check out what man and me find out, say, alright, brother, you know, say, I fuck you though. Cause that other man they have feelings just like me and you too, you know. So if you do him something and it hurt him, he might go talk about him, I go rebel about you. You see what I say? So now me no fi come tell myself, say now me I go kill you through your rebel against your hurt feelings. You see it? Me have to tell myself, say you know, say each man need them justice though. Yeah man, so brother you have to go just calm down and know say you're wrong with the man. And if you have to tell him say you're wrong with him, you just tell him say it wrong and you have to deliver back what him forget to him. You deliver back what him forget to him. And I'll go the story no done, brother. We don't have to war and fight and kill, you know. Where we are do suffer. And look come over here, man, say, yo, me now go over there, so call the one cat him over there, you know, me not deal with him, you know. Where that I go? Hey. Then you go make sure me know make all for your fun stop. Everything stop. Yeah, mad man, we can't live so, brother. No, man, me live here, so. Little music I play up there, so. You little niceness I go on, and you know. Chew yarn, me and you no deal way up there. Me can't go up there. Look how much people did there from all over when me can't go up there go deal with. Then there's so much people me no deal with. Tell me now, there's so much people me no deal with. Chew you. When me and you no deal, me can't go there, so. No man, me no want to live so, man. Me no want to live so with nobody. Me can't go anywhere. Just me and you no deal. We don't have to deal, brother, because no one like a misunderstanding the go on with me and you. Then with that, say me have to go condemn the whole district and the whole district of people. To you. Me not depend that with you, brother. No way. Me not live so. None at all. And me no want my life be so. No, nobody not set me up and then not put me up and nobody not push me where me not to go. Yeah, me want go where me want go and be where me supposed to be. Yeah, me no want nobody can turn me around and turn me upside down like me a blood clot idiot to the world. Me no in it. No. Because of that some people want to do, brother. You and them a brethren. You and them a brethren. Him see you with one brethren that feed enemy. Where the bumbo clot that I go? Where that have to do with me? Me know what create your enemyship. No true that, no me figure make true that. Me create enemyship with him. Look at how me fucking stupid. You see what me I say? Where that I go, man? But me no in done something there with no man, man. Where do me and Bertie have to catch up about, you know? Cause the man see me already, you know, Gaddy. And I go say to me, say, him see me and him enemy. Me don't even know if him and boy are enemy or not.
Peter should have spit upon him.
And me tell him, say, here what brother. That's so strange to me. Don't even bother come back to me with that.
Fuck yeah,
The man see me much in months again after and I go tell me, say, I look him and look if I did me and that Bertrand them see again. Me tell him, say, you know, say sometime when me just get me mad when me come a road sometime, brother. Can me come a road for all a good vibes by myself. Yeah. Me no business with you and your friend yeah. No have.
So true,
and
you
me
know,
and put in a this spot now, True,
what you
tell me about now? We are put it on me now, brother. Me tell him, say, man, you don't hear me no, man. Avoid me. Just bumbleclot avoid me. No call me name. No tell yourself, say, me and you are no fucking friend. Yeah. Cause no friend no go so, man. Yeah. Then you know, take me figure buy out people, cudgel now, man, and I push on things for me, brother. When me fi do with you and the man have, me don't even know when your man have things, me don't know when you have things over, brother. Oh, you push on that for me so often. Where you do that to me for? Me tell him, say, the neither time you do that blood clot again, you go see something with me and you, you know. And me I tell you, today, next time you do that again, you go see something with me and blood clot. And you go like me and you keep. Me and you who is you to me? Eh? Me and you are friend. Me and that man a friend. Me no know if you and him a friend or if you and him a enemy. Me no know who no have. Me would never know say that man did know you or you did know him. Until the day when the three of we meet up. And you are explain to me now and tell me say that did happen with you and that man. Why you never left him to tell me? You understand me? But you're glad for come tell me now for me.
And the man never see it fit to tell you, you know.
Alright.
He say, yeah, pretty man, same way.
Man don't take the man turn enemy now.
Yeah, again.
You see what me I say?
One more time, all over.
Alright.
When the man let go that long time, you have up the man, you know.
You see what me I tell you, the people that
the man never tell me this.
People in a some spot more time, brother. So man figure just understand themselves and make your friend put you in on a spot, man. You understand me?
I know you want to know something, you know, when he say that, you know, if the man tell you nothing, you know, that's why he come up with the argument, you know.
How you want me to go hate the man now for you?
Yeah, I have to just
nobody now put me in a spot, brother. No man now put me in a spot.
Hate your fans and your fans now.
Me I go hate you for your scan to where you do me. If you not do me nothing, me now hate you.
I can't do that.
Yeah. Remember me tell you that. What the fuck me I get up and hate you for you know hate me, you don't do me nothing. I don't believe in doing something, Virgin. I don't live my life, so man. Yeah,
nothing at all, man.
I don't live so.
Nothing at all.
Brother, one love, you know, man, one life. If a man can't live so with me, brother, no bother with me. No bother with me. No. Because hear me now, no. You're not going to hate me and like Brooksy and hate Mike and like me and me like you.
No, that works.
Why me? Where you want to do that for? Eh? Where you want to do that for? Worse, you know, say, the 3 away, brother, the 4 away, brother. And you are show me more like more how you are show the other 2 and the other 3. Me no respect that, you know. Me no rate that, you know. What make you show me one more love? Who is me, so what me do? You understand me? Show the whole of we equal love, man. Yeah, man, give the whole of we equal love, brother. Me no like that. Me no love it so. And my heart a bleed when me see them something there happen. You understand me? Me no like it. But me can't tell you who for love. You understand me? Me can't tell you who for love, you know, but deep within myself, me no love it. No, cause me no see it as the right way how we should love each other. You know? Me I tell myself so we feel love each other equal. So where the fuck me I get more attention more and the other one I get more than me. You just left it alone then if you don't have none forgive. It's so simple. Yeah, man. So alright, that's what I see it, my general. I mean, I don't joke thing with people and a laughing thing with people and no little kumu thing with people and a little bad mind thing with people and a little hypocrite smiling with people and you know what I mean? I say, brother, you know, in me, you know, mean me no good, but at the end of the day, you still a grin up with me and a smile up with me and a go on like say, me no depend that we don't know, man. Me no in that we don't know. Me no unite with you, no. Cause there is nothing I ever done to
Strength,
you
some
yet,
of
you
them
know.
are just a little
I
strength,
never do you nothing yet, nothing at all. Me never lay in a feel way, nah nobody feel that's bad. Some way you are show me plastic smile for. Eh? When you give me plastic blood clot smile for what reason you do that? Eh? Me no in that man, me no in it man, me more a open way for you. For sure you say brother, see road
road
there,
there, but you don't
we
have
can't trod the road big and wide. And you fi know if you go out there go do, you know. And you fi know where fi go out there go do. Where you are yet me for now? Where you are yet me for? Fi make way for you fi travel pan? And then you know act foolish brother man. You act foolish with you man. You come like your dash where you stick before you cross the water man. Where you are do?
Yeah, I do.
You know man, we need to know ourselves nowadays what we are do brother. Yeah man. That's why I'm going around relationship more time, you know. And I tell the people them say you wanna. Wanna just learn to love who love you, you know. Cause where you go do? Abuse who love you. Where you go do? You foolish.
True, man.
All of we foolish that way they have to say at times, you know.
Yeah.
All of we so foolish that way they at times. Like we blind. You see what I say? You have to think about who think about your man, care about who care about your man. When you waste your time on people for
True, man.
when you care about you, then you don't need no attention. You don't need nobody to care about you. The person who care about you, him you run from. You understand me?
Go on regular.
Alright. You have to care about who care about your man. Look for who look for your brother. And make we have better life, make we live better. You run down people who don't even want to see you. Yeah, man, him give all your best attention. Yeah, him not interested in you.
No.
Him just take your little attention and go and left you.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man. And we hard to see them rascal there, you know.
We hard to see them, eh?
Them something there we hard to see, you know, brother. We just
Somehow.
can't see them there, you know, somehow, you know. Yeah, man.
That's true, man.
Right, man. People where him have girl, whether him broke or him have money. Whether him rich or him poor, him have the girl, him have that girl friendship. You understand me? That girl will always there for him. Whether I'm hungry or him belly full, that girl always did it for him. You understand me? But him have another girl when not dead for him if him not have money.
That's true, man.
And that girl, the man a rush, you know.
That one name gonna rush.
Hey, bombard. Me say that girl, the man a rush. And that girl, the man would give him heart.
True.
That man would collect him pay and give that girl the whole eye and the one who interested in him. Him tell him lie, say no get no pay. You see what me I deal with?
Yeah.
And that girl still a go out there and do him best to share everything when get for him and him same way. And the man take the girl the money, give the whole eye to that girl when I interested in him. That girl take him money and him gone back to point A or point B, gone to
see
who he
man till he
gone
want
with.
more again.
Till that money done and he want more again, him just whap it back on you again and just come take off for your off. You and this little girl that were interested in you, struggle your fuck. And him have to put hands and heart for me together to make things happen for you and him. And you're there waste fucking time with somebody when I'm interested in it. We have to look upon what we are doing, brother. We have to think about what we are doing in our life, you know? Yeah, man, we need to look what we are doing, man. Yeah, man. You have some people, you know, him have him little woman. Him little woman go out there and work hard, make up house for him and him, put him and him in a, him and him little woman live in it comfortable, have a good, nice little life. Girl out there live with him man. Have him man, when him and him man live with. You understand me? Him now get little work, get little money, start shine little light. Where you think fee money spend pan? Panda man the woman. You understand me? Panda another man the woman fee money spend pan in a brother. And the woman where did struggle
With
and
him.
juggle
With him
hard
by
with him and make up shelter and try to make him be a man. When another woman can't see him. Him never have no money then time then, no woman never want to see him, you know. But now him a whole little money and one little something a go on. And whoever there's a fee money spend pan another man the woman and the man there and the woman there, I live big life out of him. And the next little girl there, so now,
suffer.
I struggle same way, same blood clam as we, brother. Remember me telling you. And so I see some people do the thing. And I say, look how some people look
Man,
at
that
life, man. Look, You think me I take my money, go give one girl 100,000 and afraid to give my woman 50? Eh?
But girl, get 100 woman, must hit a
Get
million.
3 and 4 and 5 and 6.
Billion.
Yeah. So me no mad man.
Yeah, fool.
Me no idiot, brother. Me no
Look
depend
fool,
that.
look fair,
How you
man.
mean? Me a fool man. What's the meaning of the whole of my money me want?
Yes.
Yeah.
True, man.
Yeah. Remember me tell you, but me no
And that
in
will never
that.
happen.
No, alright, that will never happen, brother. And me no in that with nobody, man. Nobody now take me to no merry-go-round. Me no in it. Oh. Me just a people person, you know. And me willing to give to people, you know. Me no have a problem to give to people, but you see, when you look a puppet, I know me, you know. No, I know me. I know me a blood clamus, brother, that now go happen, I know me. Oh. Nah, go work.
Smoking fun. Yeah.
Piece of-